Welcome to Viewzen Academy YouTube channel. This is Sundar, and in this class you will come to know the calculation of NPV and IRR for two different projects in Excel. Usually this is the case of mutually exclusive projects where decision rule for NPV and IRR in this case is different, and you will understand the decision and calculation criteria of mutually exclusive project under NPV and IRR. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Let us calculate NPV and IRR for the two projects. Especially in capital budgeting, two project means it is a case of mutually exclusive projects. In this case, decision rule is different than independent project. For NPV under mutually exclusive project, decision will be selected based on highest amount of NPV, and for IRR, decision will be made based on highest rate of return. So in this case we have two projects called project A and B. Discount rate is 10% and life of the project is 5 years. For project A, first initial outlay is $1,000 and for next 5 years it is yielding 300 rupees for each year. And for the project B, initial outlay is 1,400 and 400 rupees is yielding for next 5 years. So for this information, let us before we calculate NPV and IRR, first of all let us calculate cash balance. Based on cash balance, it means cash balance means without discounting cash flows, I will subtract initial outlay with the future cash flows which are received by an organization. So cash flows will be prepared like this. Sum of all this, so 500 cash balance for project A and 600 cash balance for project B. So based on the cash balance decision, if you select project B, you can if you select project B, you will get highest cash balance, but these cash flows are not yet discounted, so this is not most viable decision to make. Then let us make a genuine decision by calculating NPV and IRR. NPV I will calculate as I calculated in earlier example which you can refer. So cash outlay, NPV, open bracket, rate in this case is 10%, and I will select the cash flows, cash inflows. So NPV for project A is 137 rupees, and I will calculate NPV for project B. So project B initial outlay is 1,400 and NPV, open bracket, rate is same thing for project B too, and I will select cash flows which are receiving in the future, and this is a result. So NPV for project A is 137 rupees and NPV for project B is 116 rupees. So based on cash balance decision, you had to select project B because highest cash balance available in project B, it means 600. So based on NPV decision, the highest amount of NPV is available in project A. So highest amount is compared to project B. So based on the mutually exclusive project decision, especially under project 2 or more than 2 projects, so based on the decision in NPV criteria, I will select project A in this case. Now let us calculate IRR. Before we calculating IRR, let us know what is IRR. IRR is the internal rate of return. It's a interval between two different rate. Actually this IRR will be calculated based on the trial and error method. So formula for calculating IRR is this. So IRR is equal to RA. So first of all let us know what is A and B in this case. A is the discount rate at lower rate and B is discount rate is higher rate. So R means rate of return, as you know already, and RA is rate of return at lower rate. So RB is rate of return at higher rate. So NPV A means the NPV discounted at lower rate, and NPV B means NPV discounted at higher rate. So RA plus NPV by NPV A subtracted by NPV B, RB minus RB. If we make this stuff, if we will come to know the rate at which NPV is going to become 0, that is exactly IRR. So in the Excel also gives a function for calculating NPV. I will calculate IRR directly here. So as you know already, values, I will select values which are available for project A, and after this you need to select some guess or reasonable rate. So I will select 9% for this example. So for project A, IRR is 15%. Let us calculate IRR for project B. IRR, open bracket, values which includes cash inflow and outflows, and again guess rate. I will give guess rate again 9%. So close the bracket. So for project B, IRR is 13%. So this is the most viable decision taken by calculating NPV and IRR. So there is no conflict between NPV and IRR, because in the both method we are selecting same project. Even in NPV calculation we selected a project A, even in IRR method we have to select project A, because project A is giving highest NPV compared to project B NPV. Also project A is giving highest IRR compared to project B IRR. So this is how you have to calculate for two different projects, or the projects which are under mutually exclusive project, and you have to make decision. Friends, you will receive so many videos regarding finance. Please do subscribe to my Vision Academy channel. Thank you.